so I wanted to show you something.
It's a brand new era for Taylor Swift fans. In the middle of the night, the Grammy-winning superstar made a huge announcement that has Swifties all over the world going wild.
Okay, what do we got?
We got,
A briefcase,
yep,
mint green with TS
Yep.
on it.
yep.
What's in it?
Swift appearing in a new teaser for boyfriend Travis Kelce and his brother Jason Kelce's New Heights podcast, shared on social media at exactly 12:12 a.m. on August 12th, no less.
This is my brand new album, The Life of a Showgirl.
TS12!
To announce her 12th studio album, The Life of a Showgirl, which follows her 31-song double album, The Tortured Poets Department. It'll also be her first since the end of her record-breaking Eras tour, which surpassed $2 billion in ticket sales, making history as the top tour of all time. So, her first album since becoming the owner of her entire catalog of music, following the contentious sale of her masters from her first 6 albums in 2019. Swift's legion of fans seemed to know something big was coming, with several clues or Easter eggs on Monday, including a very prominent color theme. First, the Kelce brothers revealed that a very special guest would be joining their podcast this Wednesday, Swifties immediately speculating that the silhouette in the picture was Swift. Then, a countdown clock appeared on her website with a sparkly orange background. Another clue? Her official social team, Taylor Nation, posted 12 photos of Swift in, you guessed it, orange outfits from her Eras tour with the message, thinking about when she said, "See you next era." No word yet when The Life of a Showgirl will be released, but after the album reveal overnight, pre-sales crashed her website. And the site says pre-orders will ship before October 13th, 13 being a favorite number of Swift's, and possibly indicating a fall release. And just to solidify the power of Taylor Swift even more, the iconic Empire State Building got in on the action, lighting up New York City in orange overnight and sharing the message on social media, on to the next era.
It is a race to Friday.
President Donald Trump is meeting virtually with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky and several other European leaders today. Their conversation is a precursor to Trump's summit with Russian President Vladimir Putin on Friday.
President Trump is determined to try and end this war and stop the killing.
Significant obstacles stand in the way of a ceasefire between Russia and Ukraine. Zelensky wants security guarantees from allies. He says otherwise, Russia could attack again in the future. Zelensky says Putin already is planning an offensive as soon as next month.
Putin is determined only to present a meeting with America as his personal victory, and then continue acting exactly as before.
Another sticking point involves land. Zelensky says handing over parts of eastern Ukraine could set the stage for another Russian invasion. Trump sounds less worried about that.
There'll be some land swapping going on. I know that through Russia and through conversations with everybody, to the good, for the good of Ukraine.
Critics say it's too early for such concessions.
We're too eager to get a deal, and that puts us at a disadvantage.
Some analysts predict Putin will use Friday's summit to try to turn Trump against Zelensky. Trump sometimes seems frustrated with the Ukrainian leader.
He seems to blame Ukraine consistently for somehow having been invaded by Russia.